Hey, Tyler. What are you doing? You're cleaning up?
Yeah.
Why are you cleaning up? Because you want to? No, but what are you cleaning up?
It's made my breakfast.
What did Shelby do?
2 times.
2 times?
2 times.
Look at me. Look at me.
2 times.
Is Shelby cute?
Show me
She did what?
Happy herself.
Look at me. Look at the camera. I'm videoing you.
I see her. Yes, me.
Is Shelby nasty?
Yeah.
Say Shelby nasty.
Show me nasty.
What did she do? What did Shelby do? You cleaning it
Be
up?
herself.
She peed herself.
Yeah, I did.
Is Shelby cute?
No, Poppy said no.
Do you pee on yourself sometimes?
Yeah.
Really?
Nope.
Sometimes? Do you pee on yourself when you're sleeping?
Yeah.
But Shelby doesn't pee on herself a lot.
So I just washed my chip.
She did what?
I washed my chips.
She wastes your chips.
Yeah.
Is that what that is? Shelby wastes your chips all over the place?
I have cleaned this chip.
No. You don't have to spray the chips. You don't have to spray the chips.
I washed it.
She wasted? You didn't do that?
Nope.
Are you being a good boy?
Yeah, I do a big boy.
You being a big boy? Was Shelby being a big girl?
No. Sean be a big boy.
Shelby's a girl.
Sean a boy.
Shelby's a girl.
Boy.
Tyler, Shelby's a girl.
I'm a girl.
Huh?
I'm a girl.
You what?
I'm a girl.
You are not the girl.
Yeah, I do.
No, you're not. Tyler, you're a boy.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, that's it. But Tyler, look. Tyler, do the holler back at your girl. Look, do this.
Don't do that.
No, he did it. No, Tyler, look.
Why you making him do that?
Tyler, do the holler back at your girl. Do it.
No, don't you do that.
Latanya, put
What?
the camera down and go watch Shelby in the
Bye.
bathroom. Make sure